Welcome to my channel Derma Voice. This channel is to address day-to-day concern about your skin and hair problems. So kindly subscribe to my channel so that you will get notification whenever I upload new videos. Let us look into today's video.
Hello, warm welcome to Derma Voice. This is a continuation of previous video on skin fairness. In this video, I am going to tell you about treatment of skin fairness, also known as skin whitening or skin brightening or skin lightening, also known as skin glowing. Such treatment works if the darkness or pigmentation is acquired. That means which has appeared later in life, not since birth. If the darkness is secondary to some skin diseases or secondary to some underlying systemic problems like hormonal issues or because of the obesity or because of the vitamin B12 deficiency, then you need to take treatment for that. Unless you take treatment for that condition, this whitening treatment doesn't work. Next, the base or foundation for the whitening or brightening treatment is sunscreen. You have to use physical sunscreen containing either zinc oxide or titanium dioxide, even if you are not going out in the sunlight, because the visible light also contributes for the darkness. So you have to use sunscreen before whitening treatment, even after whitening treatment. So every day you have to use, even if you are not going out in the sunlight. In the first stage, we use lightening creams containing hydroquinone, azelaic acid or kojic acid or even glycolic acid, licorice, like that. And such cream you have to keep on continuing at least for 3 months. And after 3 months you need to change, because if you continue same cream, that cream may not work. Sometimes we use retinol or even retinoic acid containing cream if there is a thickness of the skin along with the darkness. But never use any beauty cream containing steroids. You may feel good or little bit give a brightness in the beginning, but later it causes increased sensitivity of the skin, thinning of the skin, redness of the skin, and skin become more dark, which is very difficult to treat. So don't use any steroid containing beauty creams, especially on the face, without dermatologist advice. Next, in the second stage, we use a different chemical peels, especially if you want quick result or if you have any functions in the family, then you can go for such chemical peeling treatment. Here what we do, we use a different types of chemicals containing glycolic acid or even azelaic acid or mandelic acid, like that. Multiple sessions are required. This type of treatment works very well if the pigmentation or darkness is superficial. That means if it is on the top or upper layer of the skin. This may not work well if it is in the second layer or deeper layer of the skin. So you decide. This type of treatment depends upon the level of pigmentation. Next is we use a different type of lasers. This type of treatment is usually required when there is a pigmentation or darkness is deep. That means in the second layer of the skin, because creams and peels doesn't work when the pigmentation or darkness is in the deeper layer, that is in the second layer. So we use a different type of lasers like QCC NDR laser, pico laser, or sometimes even carbon dioxide laser. Such type of treatment is advisable if the darkness is limited to 1 or 2 areas. And sometimes even multiple sessions are required here also, like chemical peeling, to give a good results. And along with this treatment, we use sometimes oral tablet or injections also containing glutathione and vitamin C. And such treatment usually give to some extent brightness to the skin. Hope this video has helped you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.